Hey everyone, Max here.
And I'm Loco. Let's get into today's lesson.
Loco, have you ever felt like your English stories are a bit flat, like they're missing a heartbeat?
Oh, totally. It happens when people stick only to simple past verbs like I walked, I saw, I ate.
Right, it sounds like a grocery list instead of a real story.
Exactly. To fix that, we need to talk about the difference between I cooked and I was cooking.
The classic battle of past simple versus past continuous. Let's dive in.
Think of the past continuous as the background of a painting.
Like, I was cooking dinner when the phone rang.
Yes. I was cooking is the long, ongoing action in the background.
And the phone rang is the short, sudden action that interrupts it.
If you don't use the continuous, you lose that sense of depth.
What if I said, I cooked dinner when the phone rang?
Then it sounds like you finished cooking, put the pan away, and then the phone rang. Very different timing.
This is perfect for building suspense in a story.
Definitely. You can use it to set the stage before the drama happens.
Like this. The rain was falling and the wind was howling outside my window.
See? That creates a mood before you drop the big news.
And then, suddenly, someone knocked on the door.
That knock is the sharp, sudden sound that cuts through the atmosphere.
If you said the rain fell and the wind howled, it would sound like a weather report, not a mystery.
Here is a mistake I hear a lot from intermediate students.
Oh, do tell. Is it about overusing the continuous form?
Exactly. You don't need it for every single verb in your story.
For instance, if you say, I was eating, I was talking, and I was laughing, it sounds like you're trying too hard.
Sometimes a simple I ate, I talked, and I laughed is perfectly fine.
So, use the continuous for the scenery and simple past for the actions.
Think of it like a camera lens. Continuous is the wide shot, and simple past is the zoom.
So, Loco, how would you finish this sentence? I was walking to the bus stop when...
Oh, that's easy. When I saw my long-lost friend waving at me.
Nice. That shows the long action was interrupted by a specific, exciting moment.
Let's try one more. How about I was studying for my exam when...
When the lights went out. That happens way too often to me.
That's the spirit. Now your stories have color and rhythm.
Remember, B1 and B2 learners. Use the continuous to set the scene and simple past to move the plot forward.
It's all about balance. Keep practicing, and your stories will sound amazing. That's it for today's lesson.
Subscribe for more English lessons, and we'll see you in the next one.